Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, the function f of x equals 2x plus 3 is transformed to k of x equals negative 2 f of 3x plus 1. Which equation represents a transformation? Okay, so we're looking for this equation, right, that will represent the transformation that happened. Okay, and this is my transformation up here. Okay, so let's start with what's given to us. It's very important that I know my f of x, right? So this is my f of x, and that is equals to 2x plus 3. Okay, now my transformation, the one that is going to happen, I can write it down over here, and that is negative 2 f of 3x plus 1. So what does that mean? Well, basically it means that I am going to go back to my original function and I'm going to replace x with 3x. Okay, so I'm going to come back to my problem and I'm going to say, okay, the first thing I need to do is I need to find f of 3 of x. So I'm going to come back over here and right there where the x is, I'm going to write down 3x and continue and write down plus 3. Okay, so the only thing that I replaced was my f of 3x. Are you guys with me? I haven't done anything with the negative 2, neither the plus 1. Okay, so I first need to find out my f of 3x. And my f of 3x is going to be equals to, well, let's multiply 2 times 3 is 6x plus 3. Okay, so now I'm going to come back to my transformation, right? This is my k of x. And now I'm going to replace f of 3x with 6x plus 3. Are we clear on that? Okay, so we're going to write it down here. 6x plus 3. And I still have a plus 1, so that goes at the end. Okay, so be careful because you always need to find out what is the first step for me to do, and that's replacing f of 3x on my original function. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue. So here I'm going to multiply negative 2 times 6x and negative 2 times a positive 3. And that gives me negative 2 times a 6. It's a negative 12x. Negative 2 times 3, it's a negative 6. And then I write down the plus 1. Okay? The only thing that I multiply is what's inside the parentheses. Okay, guys? So I can actually now combine negative 6 and a positive 1, not the negative 12x. That one, I cannot combine it with anything. Okay, so I'm going to have k of x equals negative 12x, and negative 6 plus a 1 is a negative 5. And that will be my answer. Okay, so let's check on the answer choices. And we see that on, yes, answer choice B. Very good.